Alright, today I got an Apple Watch that the back popped off. It's been sitting here for a few days, finally getting around to it. The back charging port and where it gets your blood pressure and all that just popped off. Nice. So I'm going to reattach it. So I'm going to get rid of this band. And the battery is dead. Band's out of our way. I'm going to use RTV, adhesive, sealant, black silicone. It's an adhesive and it's a sealant, so it should do the job. To start with, I want to clean it up with alcohol, but I want to get the old gasket out of the way. Looks like the charge port needs to be reinstalled, so I'll have to reinstall that. Looks like I'll need some more tools. Okay, got my other tools together here. My trusty Swiss Army tweezer. First, I need to clean it up. I'm going to use the highest erythritol alcohol you can get. Alcohol will dry real quick. This is electronic, so you don't want to use too much liquid, but you do need to get it clean. So the surface will, the glue will adhere to the surface. That's a magnet in there. That's why it keeps grabbing a hold. Trying to get down on this little shelf to get that as clean as possible. Pretty much as soon as this alcohol hits, it starts drying, as you can see. Alright, I think that's clean enough. Now I want to hit this bottom piece here. I want the bottom bottom of the cover anyway. I gotta be real careful with this ribbon wire that I still have to plug in. Alright, that looks fairly clean now. Okay. Just gonna use a toothpick to apply this. A little bit at a time. We can clean it up afterwards. It looks kind of sloppy right now, but once the cover's on, we can wipe up the excess. And the inside really doesn't matter as long as it's on there good. Creates a good bond. Oops. Don't want you sticking on there yet. Okay, this obviously voids your warranty, but this is a stainless steel Apple Watch, so if you take it back to the Apple store to have them fix this, it's over $200 they said, and they're going to send it off somewhere. Well, to Apple, I guess. No, I can't do that. So I've got the surface all the way around coated. And now I have to take this ribbon wire and plug it back in its socket. And you talk about tiny. I hate using a metal tweezer, but that's all I have. Just kind of wiggle it. Looks like it's in now. Okay. Whoops. That's in there now. Sorry if you couldn't see that in the view there. It's just pushing it in like this. Alright. Now to wipe up the XSR TV. Black silicone sealant. And even if you can't get it all off, it's going to be on your wrist anyway. No one's going to see it. But I'm going to get it all off. And here comes my dog, so we're going to listen to her breathe for a while. Using the alcohol to clean up a little bit more. Okay, Jasmine. She's an English bulldog. Sounds like she needs some Mucinex. Alright. We're about good as new now. I think this stuff was $3. My tweezers are from my little Swiss Army knife. Probably $10. Clean this crap off my tweezers. So, $200 plus from Apple. I don't know why it came apart to begin with. Look around YouTube and there's a few people that have said that it's happened to them. It's not really easy to find, but if you look around you'll see some people that's happened to. Not many people repairing these, but I pretty much fix anything. So anyway, I can't stand paying someone else to do something that I can do. If not break it trying. But I'll put this on a charger and see what's up. Okay, I got my wife's charger here. And I'm going to put the watch on it and see what happens. Should start charging if everything's good. Yep, we're good. Got the green light, starting to charge. Okay, after about 10 minutes of charging, it's finally come back to life. I gotta be real careful because it's supposed to be about an hour for it to set up. So with this magnet, grabbing a hold of it, I'm taking it real slow with it. But anyway, 18% charged after an hour. Like I said, it's been sitting for a few days, and it's good to go. So for the price of this Permatex silicone and probably the alcohol you already have in your house, 91% is what I would use. It dries quicker. I keep it in the garage for anything from polishing chrome, gets fingerprints off, to you know, whatever. And then this Swiss Army knife with the tweezers.